Tired of wrestling with D3.js spaghetti code while your PM screams for real-time dashboards? The Building Analytics Dashboard skill gives you drag and drop visualization components, instant API integrations with Axios or GraphQL, live WebSocket data streams synced to 15 plus databases, and role-based access control templates built with JWT and OAuth 2. We're talking to React wizards, Angular architects, Vue ninjas, and full stack warriors who need to ship dashboards yesterday. Spoiler, it doesn't include a coffee machine, but your dev time just got 10x faster. Here's what's inside the Building Analytics Dashboard skill. You get a visual builder for Plotly and Chart.js components, framework flexibility across React, Angular, Vue, and Svelte, live data pipelines with Firebase and PostgreSQL connectors, pre-built RBAC templates using Keycloak, and a component library with 200 plus reusable UI elements. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your entire dashboard tech stack in one click. Installing the Building Analytics Dashboard skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-analytics-dashboard. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance on React context APIs, WebSocket optimization, and database ORM integrations. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI now speaks Prometheus metrics, Grafana embeddings, and WebAssembly visualization tricks. Warning: may cause sudden spikes in dashboard delivery speed and unexplained happiness.